Nduka ya Choppies riu ironekana gukorwo icunjurite moko-ini ma enetha kuona riua riomba iguru mathina no mathiete na mbere na kumiumbirira na kuria nginyanagia na riu nduka eno irikitie kuhinga honge 6 iria ihingurite icigo-ini itiganite cia bururi. Kurerikana nginyanagia na riu nduka eno ikoretwo ikiyungururia muigua na mahira na niguo gutabania mihango yayo yao muthenya, gukirikana ikoretwo ikigiana na hoba cia mathiri kuri endia aindo hamwe na aruti a wira aria nginyanagia mahinda-ini maya matakoretwo mamukirite mishara yao yothe.
A seller and a buyer actually have to come in, agree that we're going to sell at this particular price. We're going to do ABCD to help push the product. We are going to ensure that over and above we support the brands in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways. And then on the fifth side, it actually says we're going to pay ourselves this way, and in case there's a return, we shall actually do XYZ. In case there's a damage, we shall do XYZ.
Willy Kimani, uria ni umwe wa nyiti itemi thiini wa ruhonge rwa wendia wa indo guku bururi-ini, akauga kiria kirakobobania Choppies ni ngucanio cia utongoria, kuona ica ikuhi uria wari murugamiriri munene wa nduka eno Ramachandra Notapathu ni ariga gutigithio wira mweri-ini wa gatano.
And at the end of it all, it's not about whether you're foreign owned or you're locally owned. It's about what you have for the customer. So it's quite clear. I don't think a foreign retail chain will come next 2 years when you have the best offering and customers will just disappear because of that. No. And this is a free market, a free open trade market. What you always have is you have to please the customer.
Ona gutaria uguo kurerikana nyota wayo wa kwenda gutheremia honge nyingi iturini itiganite cia bururi itehandite wega kibeca ni thina ungi munene uramierekeria irima-ini ria nduma.
We have key retailers who have actually come from outside and they're actually setting up shop and they're actually successful. I'll give you the likes of Carrefour, Decathlon, Shoprite, Massmart Game, and many others. You can actually see that they're quite successful and all that. So different models, different times, and when you actually go into different malls, it takes time.
Muigai wa Gathungo, Kameme TV, wonjoria.